Hello friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this very simple grape salad which can be served for biryani, pulao or any rice dish for that matter. It also pairs very well with curd rice. So here I have prepped all the ingredients and reserved. I washed the grapes thoroughly and chopped it into halves and reserved, because when you chop the grapes into halves it will easily marinate in the masala that I'm going to add. I've also finely chopped onion, finely chopped mint and coriander and reserved. In a small bowl, I've combined chili powder, chaat masala, pepper powder, salt, and I've reserved it. If the grapes is little sour, you need not add lime juice to it. But if you prefer adding lime juice, you can add it. Here I'm also going to be adding chaat masala, so you can avoid the lime part. Now in a mixing bowl, I'll combine all the ingredients, that is the chopped grapes, finely chopped onions, finely chopped mint and coriander, and the masala powders that I've reserved, that is chili powder, chaat masala and pepper powder, along with some salt. We just need to combine all these ingredients and serve it right away. So since you have added salt in this, your onions will start to sweat immediately. So serve this right away once you prepare it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, along with my detailed blog post and social media handle links, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, will be listed in the description box below this video. Here I have served my grape salad. You can serve this grape salad cold or in room temperature. Do try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, friends, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.